Annyeong! Today we're making Rosé Jjimdak, a creamy and spicy twist on Korean braised chicken. If you've ever tried Buldak Carbonara, this dish has a similar vibe. Rich, spicy, slightly sweet, and super indulgent, especially with chewy glass noodles. I'll show you a simple way to make it at home. Let's get started. We're going to start by making the sauce. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of Gochugaru or Korean chili powder, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of Gochujang or Korean chili paste. Mix everything until smooth and set it aside. To turn this into a creamy rosé sauce, there are 2 more things to prep. First, a cup or 240 milliliters of heavy cream, and second, about a cup of shredded cheddar, parmesan, or a mix of both. This melts into the sauce at the end and really takes the flavor to another level, so don't skip it. There are 3 things to prepare: chicken, vegetables, and noodles. For the chicken, use 450 grams or about 1 pound of boneless thigh or tender. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. For the vegetables, slice 1 onion either into strips or to match the shape of your chicken. Then clean and cut a few button mushrooms into chunks. And cut some potato or sweet potato into small pieces. The vegetables aside from the onion don't strongly affect the flavor, so feel free to skip or adjust them. Now cook your glass noodles according to the package instructions. Some brands need to be soaked in warm water first, others can go straight into boiling water. Mine didn't need soaking. I boiled them for 6 minutes. After that, drain, rinse under cold water, and set them aside. In a wide pan, heat a bit of oil and sauté 1 tablespoon of minced garlic along with the onions. Cook until fragrant. This builds the base flavor. Next, add the chicken and stir fry until it's no longer pink. Then add the potatoes and mushrooms and stir for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now pour in the spicy sauce and stir to coat everything evenly. Let it cook for a minute or 2 so the gochujang and garlic really deepen in flavor. Then pour in the heavy cream and add the noodles. Stir so everything is well combined. Next, add the shredded cheese and stir gently until it melts into the sauce. Let everything simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the potatoes are soft and the sauce thickens. Make sure to stir occasionally so the cheese or noodles don't stick to the bottom of the pan. If the sauce gets too thick, just add a splash of water to loosen it. And that's it! Creamy, spicy, cheesy Rosé Jjimdak. Tender chicken, hearty vegetables, chewy noodles, and a luscious rosé sauce bringing all together. This is one of my favorites, so I hope you try it at home. All the ingredients and steps are listed down in the description, so check that out when you're ready to cook. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.